factory where various machines are in operation. In recent years, production processes have become more complex as a result of process integration and shop automation. You need to know machine operation status in an accurate and timely manner to carry out production as scheduled. DMG MORI Messenger realizes it for your shop. The Messenger is an application for checking the operation status of shop machines. The Messenger visualizes machine operation status in real time for you to understand the entire production status. It shows you not only the current machine status, but also the operation rate, cycle time, and machining record on an easy-to-understand chart by the category. The Alarm History Report automatically collects and displays alarms that have occurred in a specified period by the type. The Messenger identifies causes of machine stop and preferentially responds to the problems in order of frequency, which leads to higher operation rate. As the Messenger can be used on a PC, tablet, and smartphone, you can check machine operation status anytime, anywhere. What's more, it sends you emails to notify completion of machining and alarm occurrence. So you can check operation status of your shop machines while you're away and quickly respond to problems. Sharing Messenger information with machine operators makes each member aware of problems and work on improvement of production process as a team. DMG MORI takes solid security measures for you to use online connected machines with peace of mind. Messenger uses the whitelist that allows execution of only authorized programs. Communication is made using dedicated lines to prevent unauthorized access from outside the company. This also prevents external attacks via the internet. DMG MORI provides you with full support for boosting productivity of your entire shop as well as each machine by visualizing production processes with the Messenger.